Welcome back to Asian Reviews, and today I'm going to be checking out the Joby Handy Pod video kit. And guys, this is the best kit to get if you want to become a YouTube vlogger on a budget. So just taking a look at this kit, it comes in two main parts. It comes with your smartphone mount here and a tripod here. I'm going to be taking a look at the smartphone mount first. So the first feature that you're going to be seeing here is a cold shoe, hot shoe attachment. So that's perfect if you want to put a Rode mic or a different lighting feature on this little rig. So that's really nice that they have that. And this rig doesn't open because it has this locking mechanism in the back, so you have to flip this little latch here and then it stretches out, and so it's really convenient. It's going to make sure that your phone has no way of falling out. It also has these rubberized pads on the tops and bottoms to make sure that your phone doesn't fall out. The last key feature of this little phone mount here is that it has not only a metal little screw there for your mounting to a tripod, it also has one on the bottom and the side, so that's super duper convenient. Now taking a look at this tripod, very first feature here is the rubber padded 1/4-inch screw here. It'll protect not only your mount but any other camera or accessory that you're gonna attach to this tripod, which is super convenient. Now, it also has this little push button here, which allows for almost 360-degree rotation all the way around and rotation into this little divot here so that you can really get any angle of shot that you're looking for. It's super easy to move around and it's super convenient and really locks in. Your phone's not going to be slipping much when it's in this mount. Now, also a key feature is that this little handle opens up to a tripod, and these tips on this tripod are fully rubberized, so it's going to be pretty difficult to push around on a flat surface. There's also a place attachment for a wrist strap here, and each handle and leg also has this rubberized grip on the outside, as well as this leg has a little divot here so that it really gets comfortable in your hand and you're gonna get a really nice steady shot. Now the reason why I say to get this kit if you're looking to be a YouTuber on a budget is that you're not gonna beat this Joby Handy Pod. It's a perfect kit and it comes in at a really competitive price compared to different kits, and so with most smartphones today, it has a great 1080p front and back facing camera. So just having this extra mount here to make your shots more stable, to make it a little bit easier to vlog, again on a budget, this is a really great little device and kit that is going to definitely last a long time from a very reputable brand in Joby. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like the video if you did enjoy and to subscribe if you have not already to stay updated on my new DIYs, reviews, and other Asian review videos. Make sure to follow me on social media as well to stay updated on giveaways, video releases, and stuff like that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.